Hi, I'm Dimple. Welcome to my channel. Actually, kids are asking for cake, and we don't get cake in quarantine time. And I have only little ingredients, so I'm planning to bake chocolate biscuit cake. So we'll bake in a pan instead of oven. So I'll show with less ingredients you can bake this, and even your kids love the cake. So we'll start. Put 20 chocolate biscuits, crush a little and put 20 chocolate biscuits, and Marie biscuit, small pack. How many are there? I don't know. 18 other Marie biscuit. You need to grind it. It should be fine. Okay, let me grind this. Done with grinding. Put it in a bowl. On this. Okay, now add little sugar according to the taste. Add milk to make a paste. You require 3/4 cup of milk. Half teaspoon baking powder. Mix it. This is the consistency. Now transfer it to other container. Tap this to set. I preheated the pan. Usually everyone bake cake in oven. Today I am baking in pan. Keep the pan and the stand. Preheat the pan, then keep it. Close. And keep it in a low flame. Bake it for 30 minutes. It's exactly 34 minutes. I've checked before and was not done. Check it again. Yes. If it comes out good, clean, it means cake is done. so it didn't stick to toothpick. So turn off the stove
And
wait for few minutes, then put it in a plate, let it cool. Close the plate, put it down. Wow, came out good. So let me cut this. Again I'll make. Let me cut. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. In quarantine time, it's hard to get cake. So biscuit will be at home, no? So you can prepare to your kids. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. And let me cut this cake and give my kids. They are waiting. Thank you. Bye bye.
wow, yummy.
Nice.
Very nice.
Thank
Came out
you.
well.
Thank you. Thank you. They are happy, no? So I'm also happy.
So soft.
Okay.